In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and create a company within HubSpot. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, what you'll want to do is head over to the HubSpot user guide. This is your starting point, and it's a great resource for all things HubSpot. If you haven't done this already, navigate to the HubSpot website and find the user guide section. It's like your roadmap, laying down the essential steps you need to take. Once you're in the user guide, the next thing you need to do is click on the Companies tab. You'll find this in the main navigation menu. This tab is your gateway to managing all your company data, so it's crucial to be familiar with it. Clicking on Companies will direct you to a page displaying all the companies already listed. If you're just getting started, yours might be empty, but not for long. Next, you'll see an option labeled Import. Go ahead and click on Import. This feature is fantastic for bringing in external data into HubSpot, making it easier to manage without starting from scratch. If you have spreadsheets or other data files, this step is where they come into play. After selecting Import, look for the option that says Import a file and give that a click. This step will prompt you to upload the specific file containing your company details. Ideally, this file should be organized with clear headers and consistent data input to avoid complications during the import process. Now, if you want to sync data from other applications, HubSpot has made this incredibly convenient with the Sync from Apps feature. By clicking this option, HubSpot will allow you to integrate seamlessly with other platforms you might be using. It saves time and reduces the chances of data errors, ensuring your HubSpot dashboard is populated correctly. If you're transitioning from another platform, you might find the Migrate Your Data option useful, especially if you have comprehensive data sets to transfer. By clicking this, you'll receive prompts and instructions specifically geared towards easing your data migration process into HubSpot. Finally, return to the main companies page where you started, and here you should see an option to add a new company. This is typically marked clearly, making it easier to identify. Click on that, and from there you can manually enter any new company details, making sure everything is up to date and accurate. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on importing and creating a company within HubSpot. With the help of these steps, navigating HubSpot's features should become more intuitive. Through practice, you'll become more confident managing your data, allowing HubSpot to do what it does best: streamline and enhance your business operations. Thanks for tuning in, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your HubSpot experience.